Welcome back to Trucast. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of adding new devices and creating device groups. Let's get started. Head over to the Devices menu to see the available devices. Here, you can manage all your hardware seamlessly. To add a new device, click on Create Device. Now give your device a name and specify the type of device it is. This ensures your content is optimized for the specific hardware. Once you're ready, simply tap on Create Device, and here's the magic. You'll see an auto-generated token number. This unique identifier is crucial for connecting your hardware device to the Trucast domain. Make sure to note it down. With the token number in hand, connecting your hardware device becomes a breeze. It's the key to seamlessly integrate your device into the Trucast ecosystem. Now, let's explore another powerful feature, device groups. Here, you can add multiple devices to a group, simplifying content distribution with a single click. Create a device group by grouping together devices with similar characteristics or locations. It's perfect for sending content to multiple devices effortlessly. Trucast, where innovation meets efficiency. Join us on this journey as we redefine content management. Your media, your way with Trucast.